Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's write some major scales. Today on Music and Theatre Education, we're going to be writing some major scales with key signatures. So, you're going to need to know your major key signatures. If you're a little bit rusty, go back and watch my tutorial on key signatures. Ready to go? Then let's head to the whiteboard. Okay, so here's our question. We need to write a scale that is D major, in the treble clef, ascending, which means going up, in crotchets, with solfa and a key signature. So step 1 is our clef, which in our case was treble. You might like to mark off that you've done that step, especially if you're doing this in something like a test. Step number 2 is our key signature, which is D major. And we know that has 2 sharps, which are F and C. So there's our F sharp, and there's our C sharp. Next is our solfa. Now when you're writing scales, this is an optional step, but it can be very helpful, especially if you're doing a different type of scale. For this one, we've got do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. See how I've made an extra mark next to this? Having the mark up the top tells us it's high do and not just the same do as we've started with. And now I've written it out a bit neater because it was actually sitting underneath my key signature, which you don't want to do. Next, let's put our notes in. I like to write them out as semi-breves first and then make sure I've got the right rhythm. So D major starts on D. And then we have stepwise motion all the way up our scale. And finally, let's check our other things. So it's in D major, in treble clef, ascending. Yep, it's going up. If it was descending, we would have started up here and gone down. Crotchets. Nope, it's not in crotchets currently, it's in semi-breves. So all we have to do is add our stems. This one here could have gone either way. And then colour in our note heads. And we have our key signature. So we've done all the steps except for one, which is to add a double bar line at the end to show it's finished. And there you have it. That's how you write a major scale. Thanks for joining me again on Music and Theatre Education. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep on that theatre adventure.